What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 22 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's Friday, May 28th. Hope everybody had a phenomenal green week. And before we get into it, you know how we do it. If you want to help yourself out to 2 free stocks, click the link down below in the description and sign up for Webull today. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into my tracker. All right, guys, here we are inside my tracker. As you can see, my chart is a little bit greener than usual. Only had one red day this week, which is actually today, but nonetheless, great week this week, and I'm definitely seeing everything turn in our favor, as Chris was saying before. Matter of fact, let me know what play you guys are in that took off the most in this past, I want to say the past 2 weeks. But yeah, guys, Neo started taking off for me. Jacque started doing better. Tattoo Chef definitely did. You can see like now it's down 15%. And let's see, Apple American is just really dominating right now. 30% change, 38% change so far. Transactions, I did not buy anything this week, guys. I stay low key. Next week I'll probably put in 500, and I'm not sure what I'll put that in. Probably in one of my, it's not on here now, but probably one of my dividend plays, or I'll try to just average down if I can, if my stock is still too high or my average cost is still too high in one of my plays. So that's the plan of attack next week. Options, I didn't do any, and deposits, like I said, I didn't do any. So right now I'm still at a grand total of 6250 in this challenge in terms of how much money I put into this whole entire journey. But with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into my app. All right, guys, like I said, today was like my only red day that I had this week, but I'm sitting at $10,087.55. But for the week, I'm up a little bit over 3%, which equates to a little bit over $309. And let's go ahead and dive into my stocks so you guys can see how they played out this week. Let's see, started with Future Fintech. So for the week, Future Fintech up 8%. So, but I'm still down 34, almost 35%. So I can still really average down too, because my average cost is $469. So I'm still able to get in here and average down on this one with my $500 that I add to the stash next week. So I'm pretty excited about that. And let's see, let's go back. Let's go to Tattoo Chef. Let's see how we did for the week. 4%, but still down a little bit over 15%. Average cost is $25.18, and I can still average down on that. But about time I put money in this next week, it'll probably be pretty close to my average cost. So I may or may not average down on this, depending on, again, what the price is at. But looking good with Tattoo Chef. Then APXT. So for the week for APXT, up a little bit over 2%, still down 30%, a little bit over 30%. Average cost is $14.93, so I can still average down on this depending on how it fluctuates next week. And then let's see, Jacque. So for the weekend, Jacque up over 3%. Still down a little bit over 20%. Average cost is $16.62. So I'm getting pretty close to my average cost on this one. I imagine that I'll probably hit my average cost next week. I just don't know when, but still trying to figure out which play I should average down in first out of those four. Let's see. Let's go back. Then Neo did pretty good for me this week. So 12%, a little bit over 12% for this week. And remember, I bought some more shares of this. I averaged down last week. So now I'm over a little bit over 3% in Neo. Average cost is $37.19 now. And it's sitting at $38.47. So looking good with Neo. And then I only have, of course, one share of Coin, aka Coinbase. And for the week, it's up over 3%. So I'm still over 3% total return in this one, with the average cost of 227.25. Looking good in Coinbase. So I imagine when the crypto recovers, this will too. So looking forward to that. And American did, let's see how American did this week. American did well as well, over 6% this week, over 38% total return. Total cost or total average cost is 17.52. So looking good in that. So yeah, guys, that's really all I have for this video, guys. Doing very well. I'm glad we bounced back this week. But again, yeah, let me know down below which play took off the most this week for you guys. Kind of curious. And also curious if you guys got into the AMC play that I couldn't get into. But mad props if you did. Anyway, if you made this far in the video, give your boy the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.